Welcome to Easy Cash Out. Subscribe now for more updates. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification icon so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. Okay, so right on this video I want to show you guys the basic method on how you can actually edit professionally with just your smartphone. You don't need a system to do this, you don't need a laptop to do this. Now, without wasting much of your time, I think we need to go straight into the video now. The application we will be needing for this, it's called Kinemaster. As you can see right on your screen, right on the screen here, it's called Kinemaster. So we're gonna click on it now, Kinemaster, and wow, it's opened. So the next step you want to do now is to click on the plus icon, which is the middle one. You click on it and it's opened. Now the next step you want to take here, you take the 16.9. now let me kindly explain those three icons you're seeing here, these three formats. The first one, which is 16.9, is for a normal Nigerian movie, it's for a normal movie, normal editing. Then the one which is 9.16 is for the phone version. Yep, it's going to display just for phone, but not suitable for viewing on the screen like laptop or a TV. And the 1.1 version is for Instagram only. If you're editing a video for Instagram, then you need to use the 1.1 version. If you're editing a video for TikTok, then you need to use the 9.16 version format. If you're editing a video for a normal viewing, normal movie, or for YouTube or wherever, definitely you need to use the 16.9. so right now we'll be using 16.9 on this. Click on 16.9. as you can see, it's opened. Now the next step you want to do here now is to click on the video which you want to edit, which you want to cut and join. Now let me go here. This video is shot with a normal camera, shot with a camera and not a phone camera, just normal camera. Now you click on the clips which you want to use. As you can see, then we take another clip right here. Okay, take another clip. Now we go off at the top right hand side. Now we have our clips right here which we'll be using for this editing, this tutorial. Now what I want to show you guys is just the basic editing on how you can actually cut and join it. Now we need to do this now. Let's say you click on play.
Victor, still on movement 1, take 1, and action.
Okay, so what will happen now, you drag it a bit. Now for you to cut this now, you click here, you click on the video and the scissors icon, which is the cut, you click on it. Now I want to trim this from the left hand side, so I need to go to the up one and trim it. As you can see, it's trimmed already, so I need to click the arrow down icon and play again.
And action.
Okay, so right now I click on it and I click on the icon again to cut it. As you can see, I cut it now and silence the first one. To silence it, you come in, bring the volume down. I'll silence it now and I free it again. Then you go back, click on it. As you can see, the sound is off now because I silenced it. Now I want to add a clip here, so the next thing I will do, I will search for the next clip which I want to add there. Let's see, maybe this is going to be the opening. Okay, all right, so what I want to do right now is this. Let me take it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna click here now and cut it. I want to split it and not to trim it, so I'm gonna use a split at the playhead, split it. And to take this clip now to the first place, I click on it, click and hold on it, then I move it. as you can see, to the first place. Then I need to silence it. Click on it and click the volume icon. Then I silence it and play it again. As you can see right now, guys, there is no sound on this. So what we happen now, I click on it and trim it a bit. Okay, so right now, as you can see now, it goes like this. It goes like this, where it walks in, and of course, okay, then I need to make this look perfect. I click here, cut it from here, click on the scissors from the top, let me trim it. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is what's gonna happen now. Okay, I silent the background. Actually, as you can see, he is still sleeping and snoring, and what is going to happen is this right now is this. Let me take this off, and right from where he walked in. Okay, now let me cut it from here. I would just want to give this tutorial. So as you can see now, I'm gonna cut here also. So right now, let me silence it also. Yeah, so I need to silence this now. So right now what's going to happen is this. I need to add sound to this. Click on the audio, then like these are my songs, but let me go to the folder that is going to get your audio very fast and go to download. Okay, let me use this. So right now, as you can see, okay, I'll just do away with this and watch.